जहां एक तरफ शाहरुख पर लग गया है बैन और पूरा बॉलीवुड कर रहा है उन्हें सपोर्ट, वहीं दूसरी तरफ इतने सीरियस इश्यू में भी आम जनता ने ढूंढ लिया है ह्यूमर। The Twitterati, the fans and the आम जनता has donned their humorous hats और शाहरुख के इस इंसिडेंट पर ट्विटर पर शाहरुख का उड़ाया जा रहा है जमकर मजाक। So let's take a look at the lighter side of this controversy with n number of funny tweets that Twitteratis have been posting since the incident took place. So let's take a look at what's on Twitter. किसी ने लिखा है गौरी ने कहा प्रियंका को छोड़ दो, यूएस ने कहा आना छोड़ दो, एनसीए ने कहा स्टेडियम छोड़ दो, अब लोग कहेंगे मूवीज छोड़ दो। यानी कि Twitterati शाहरुख की पर्सनल लाइफ पर भी उनकी चुटकी लेने से नहीं चूके। Another hilarious one was luckily SRK has Dish TV through which he can watch matches at the Wankhede in true high definition. Well, सिर्फ शाहरुख ही नहीं, मजाक की चपेट में तो रितेश देशमुख भी फंस गए क्योंकि उनके फादर विलासराव देशमुख ने ही शाहरुख पर 5 years के बैन का ऐलान किया है। Somebody wrote, and I suppose no producer wants to cast Ritesh and Shahrukh together. And in another one, it was mentioned that Ritesh and Genelia will now get movie projects solely on their acting abilities. Well, that is a mean joke. And like every superstar has haters, there were a lot of anti-Shahrukh quotes too. Like perfect would be when they ban Shahrukh Khan from Wankhede and then go ahead and rename this country Wankhede. Another one that said, it's a good move to ban Shahrukh Khan from Wankhede. Anybody who needs 32 bodyguards to move around is better off staying home. In another, किसी ने लिखा है Shahrukh banned from Wankhede for 5 years. Now I can go see an IPL match at the stadium. Well, these and many other tweets prove that if there are Shahrukh supporters, there are ample Shahrukh haters too in the world of social media. Well, मजाक तो Mumbai Indians का भी बनाया गया, stating that MI slogan, if you can't win over them, ban them, indicating that Mumbai Indians did not take losing well. और इसीलिए उन्होंने KKR ओनर शाहरुख पर बैन लगा दिया। जहां शाहरुख और MCA के लिए ये एक सीरियस मुद्दा रहा, वहीं ट्विटर पर ये इशू एक मजाक बन गया। In a way, it's good that people are treating this issue lightly, but we hope that these jokes go down well with Shahrukh too.